The ultimate preposition test. The cactus is dash the table. Yes, you all are right. The cactus is on the table. The mobile is dash the shelf. Look and tell me the answer. Yes, the mobile is above the shelf. The book is dash the cabinet. Yes, the book is in the cabinet. The ball is dash the chair. Well done. The ball is under the chair. The plant is dash the flowers. Superb. The plant is between the flowers. The chair is dash the desk. The chair is behind the desk. You all are right. The flower is dash the cactuses. Well done. The flower is near the cactuses. The vase is dash the cabinet. Bravo! The vase is in front of the cabinet. You all did a great job. Excellent!